What's going on, community? Welcome back to another video. So, guys, Streetbot just went live on the Soneium. They're also giving a huge USDC prize pool within these 16 days. Whoever shows up daily will be wins. So, Sony's Layer 2 was built on the OP Superchain confirmed airdrop ecosystem currently in Season 9. Whole narrative is about the proving on-chain consistency, not noise. Bi-weekly competition is on-chain at the time. Sonum is the first completely daily on-chain action, earn XP and build streak and climb leaderboard. Top 100 ball split the USDC prize pool and pool grows daily 50% of all round revenue feeds back in. So first of all, guys, here is our streak board Soneium. Here you need to connect your wallet. I already have connect my wallet. You can also check them out. So first of all, you need to run 9 daily on-chain action. Here how you can do that. First you need to come over there and click on this sign in and join. Make sure that you need to connect your wallet just like MetaMask, Phantom, other type of the wallets like that. You need to go and connect with them here basically. Now I need to click on the confirm option, which is there, and after confirming your here you can also check out it has been connected successfully here with this platform. So how you need to click on this say GN with it plus 3 XP here, and after that you say GN is also here, which is also plus 3 XP mean domain, the biggest single action, deploy token, NFT smart chain, which got to plus 5 each, and create NFT is plus 3, mint NFT is plus 3, and vote is plus 2. So guys, you can stake one time social bonuses. Each give you XP once per campaign. So how you can do that? First of all, you need to come over there and click on the send GM with the plus 3 XP basically. So you need to approve the transaction through your MetaMask, through your wallet, which wallet you have connected with them basically. So you need to click on the confirm option, and like that it will be done in just few seconds here. And you can also check it out, guys. It will be here, and you can also do a lot of the process here like that, in which are also in front of you. Deploy token, deploy NFT, deploy SE, everything's there. So you can also share your own promo code basically with 3xp. Join Telegram will be get a +1, and follow the Soneium on X will be +1 here. So these are a lot of the things you need to follow them on this platform. You can also change the avatar to the ZNS PFP, which you can also get the +5 here. And there are still a lot of things like that. Retweet, share your promo code, join ZNS Discord, join Telegram, change avatar, subscribe on YouTube, like, tweet, comment on the partner, join Soneium, and follow ZNS Connect. You can also follow them, and ZNS Bio, follow ZNS Drop basically. So run these ones at a start, instant XP head start before your daily streak even kicks in. So as daily 1 to 6 are in front of you, is speed is 1, and day 7 to 13 is speed 1.3, and days 14 plus is speed is 1.5 basically. And after that, there are still a lot of things about this platform to be explored. You can also check out, find out the airdrop passes, free main 240 plus track project, 5 XP pass, one time bonuses on this platform basically. So you can also check them out too on this platform. And you can also check out the raffle part here, where you need to share your own link with the other platform, with the other guys, where you can also get everything on this platform. So ZNS scanners already at the top protocol on the ink by 7 days fee, 535k plus domains, minted a 182k plus user, and 766k plus revenue, which is 70%, 76% net margin pre-TGE. Streak was turned into on-chain consistency into the primary metric. Soneium is the first launch partner because there is a narrative alliance. So link in the description. 30 seconds to join. The earlier you start, the bigger your multiplier when the winners are picked by May 16th. So guys, that was our video. I hope you liked and enjoyed. I will meet you in our next video. So have a great day. Please keep safe, stay happy, and thank you.